In this step, I'm going to do more adjustment and focus on the consistency and cohesive between different areas. Now we're going to come back to the eyes. Now I'm going to use this small brush. Now I'm going to give a little bit darker details. Now again, the present blue with the red. Okay. Now inside over here, let's see. This a little bit darker on the upper, and on the upper edge is darker on this shape. And have a little bit in the center. Like this. Maybe the eye need to be a little bit bigger on this side and expand it. Like this. And we're going to come back to fix it a little bit. On this side, again, the up here is a little bit darker. And there is a dark dot in the center. Like this. And make it a little bit more round. Let's see. Now, the contrast may not be that much, so I'm gonna just use this clean brush and come into softly blur it a little bit. Bring the dark color into this lighter area. That's good. Now on this side too, this side's even darker, so good. Like that. Now I'm gonna have a little brown colors. Now get the brown color by mixing the red and the yellow into this purple color. Okay. Let's see. Okay, so far so good. And also on this side. Okay, it looks like some eyelashes. So I'm gonna use a very dry color. Very little, doesn't need that much. Give a little suggestion. Doesn't need a lot of suggestions. A little suggestions is good enough. And the white areas, not so much on this side. So I'm gonna close up this, make it a little bit smaller. Okay. Now we also need to work on. Oh, I need to remove a little color over here. This looks like a little bit too much. Okay, make it a little lighter. Okay, now we're gonna have a little red colors to shape this a little bit. And a little bit more. Good. A little bit more on this side too. Like that. That's good. And this color can gradually expanding outside. Now I'm going to extend this softly. Okay. That looks good with the eyes. I'm gonna have the nostril. And in order to do the nostril, we just give a little bit brown color. We already have some brown color over here. Maybe this brown color have a little bit more yellow and red. So get a little red color in here. That's good. So all we need to do is just give a little bit color. And on this side, maybe this side have a little bit more red. Okay. See. Very little colors. Observation is very important. And I think the top here need a little bit more red colors. That good. I'm going to blend this. So by adding a little darker colors and outside, you can form that shape of the nose much better. I'm going to take this very light red colors. What I want to do, I'm going to add a little shape over here. So it's showing that it's very cute. Little indent right here. Good. Like that. I'm going to soften this too. Let's see what we can do. I think for the lower lip here, we need to have a little bit lighter. So I'm going to wash that lift off a little bit and have the lip a little bit lighter. Like this. It's good. That's good. It's a good smile. And on the edge on this side, a little bit softer. Good. That's good. Here a little bit lighter too, a little bit thinner, this line. So I'm going to remove that. Get a little bit change. Okay, on here, need a little bit warmer color coming down here. And I'm gonna give a little bit, I think it's good. I'm gonna get this red color in here. Good, like that. And have that color coming up a little bit. I think the suggestion is pretty good. I just give a little bit color over here. A little bit. It might be a little bit lighter here too. So it's all about looking for the edges. If they are correctly represent the structure. Okay, now on this side, I think the side need to be coming in a little bit. So for the ear, I'm gonna have this side of the ear here a little bit coming in a little bit, and at the same time I also going to have a little bit more red colors and have this coming in a little bit like that, and that's good. And here on the edge is moving in a little bit on this side. And on the outside here, it moving out a little bit. That's good. And now I'm going to remove this a little paint and make the edge of the face a little bit smoother. Okay, that's good. Now this is good. Let's give a little suggestions to the clothing, a little fold here and there, and I'm going to have a little bit of the green colors in here, like a gray-green colors. Okay, that's good. Now I'm gonna give a little suggestions on the clothing. Here you go, and get it down here. A little bit suggestion. Now here get a little bit darker, a little bit darker. Now I'm gonna see on this side. Here you go. On this side, I'm gonna have a little bit of the yellow-green colors. Here you go, like that. Suggesting the clothing. Now the painting is very good. You should feel much better on yours too. Next, I will be working on the final details of the dress to use red and green colors.